What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk some XRP. Happy 4th of July for those of you out there in the United States. And anyone else who really wants to have a day today and celebrate, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark. And make sure you guys are all subscribed down below. Let's get into some XRP talk as we talk on this July 4th. Okay, so some crazy partnerships, exciting news coming about for XRP. But the main thing I'm going to get into is the chart. And we are going to talk a little bit about what is next. And if we could see a 400-fold increase to $200 for XRP, that is what one analyst is predicting. We're going to get into those thoughts. But before we do, please remember, guys, not financial advice, always do your own research and due diligence. And let's take a dive into what XRP is doing right here, right now. Just a little quick update. Nothing crazy, but XRP is being taken to 50-plus countries within that XAH, I believe you pronounce it ZAO, networks chain, the XAH. I'm not sure how exactly to pronounce that, but what they're doing is they're teaming up with C14 that will be basically allow for XRP to be in 50-plus countries. Now, that's going to be something where I just wanted to kind of just give you guys a little bit of a nugget on that one. We're not going to talk too long about that. Let's take a look into XRP's chart. This is something where we've seen this traditionally throughout the markets this time of year, within holidays, so on and so forth, right? We're getting a little bit of a sell-off. You can see these bright red candles dropping us down to about 44.77 as we're currently recording. So not a good day for crypto world, all right? There's been better days, I'll just put it that. But like I said, I have this blue line kind of illustrating my support level, okay? It's probably more so right here around 47 cents. I think that was moved a little bit, but we looked back into time periods right here, guys. This is back in July, August, and then we had a little bit on April 16th, roughly, and then even ever so quickly on June 10th. Okay, but you could see, I'll just use my mouse for that one, but you could see even there we dropped a little further, boom, right? Dropped here, boom, here. So about 4 or 5 times we tested this line at 47 cents and just kicked right up. So if you guys are into that short-term trading of crypto, this is one where you could really, get XRP right here on this dip, and then boom, we could probably be up at 52 cents as soon as we get some news out there to kind of propel us even higher. Okay, so obviously the Bitcoin rebound is in store, so just something to keep your mind on. Nothing in terms of financial advice, just my 2 cents when it comes to crypto. All right, but this is a red day. The dips are live. Everybody's buying dips today, so I wanted to share that with you guys. And that's kind of how I feel about the chart. If you notice the platform that I'm using, this is Margex, okay? Full disclosure, it's a leverage trading platform. I'll have a link down below in the description. There's a lot of traders been making some good coin trading Bitcoin and Ethereum on leverage. Also, if you don't know what you're doing, there is a copy trading feature within leverage trading. Check it out for yourself. Do your own due diligence. There's no KYC, so make sure Margex is right for you. And if you want to get started trading today, by all means, links down below. Also, you can register to claim up to $10,000 in bonuses just for registering and creating an account. So if you want to get hooked up with Margex, links down below. All right, and let's get into this kind of main bullet point that everybody's here to know about. Javon Marks asserting that XRP could go up to $200, so roughly a 390 to 1. Okay, kind of a big gain. Okay, that's kind of where we look for his prediction when we get to the possibility of having all this bullish momentum actually means something. Okay, so we've stabilized, like we talked about on the charts, around 48 cents. We're down almost 10%, but I always share with you guys kind of my take on this, right? Everybody wants to say XRP is not going anywhere. XRP is dead in the water. Ripple's stealing all the XRP. Okay, but I've drawn this out for you guys a lot. This is June of 2022, right? After this huge dip where all of these all-time highs, relatively speaking, if you just kind of get rid of that and kind of take that off your radar, and I know you can manipulate charts to do whatever you want, but just food for thought. You take away that all-time high out of the equation, and I can't make this full screen for you guys, but I will show you just kind of this arrow. I mean, this has been a very steady, slowly upward climb since 2019, and then you can see this blue line just continues. So we are right on this path. Okay, so where we go from here, that's to be determined. Obviously, I don't have that crystal ball, but I did want to share with you guys kind of how I look at it. Like a lot of people look at the drop from here to here, boom. I look at it a little opposite. Okay, this is SEC in the court. This is the courtroom with XRP, right? Boom. This is when all that happened, the fall, and then yes, it been a stable, crypto for the most part. People were saying it's dead in the water, it's not going anywhere, but I trust the numbers. I see this pattern. If you take the all-time highs out of the equation, we've been on a slow and steady incline since about 2020. So that's just food for thought. That's just my take. So do with it what you wish. And let's get back into some of the talk within, Javon Marks talking about how the previous XRP uptrend, we saw over 110,000%. And that's kind of where I'm looking at. I think it's kind of important to take that out of the equation, right? Because I think it's going to dilute some of our thought process as we get a little closer to what's actually reality. Goes on to talk about $1.44 being one of the more likely targets before an aggressive bull run. That's kind of more in line with what I would be thinking about, but could surpass $200. That's a 400-fold increase from current levels. We talked about a little earlier. That's a 39,000% climb. So 390 to 1 based on the kind of how you can look into the, the programmed historical data, right? But more so, I think that's kind of a little bit of a pipe dream. $200 for XRP. God bless us if that would ever happen. But anyways, if we would get into that, you have to kind of keep in mind that would take a lot of not just XRP doing well, but that would be, we're talking at those levels, we're talking Bitcoin would be, well north of $500. Of $500,000. So just some things to keep in mind. More so, I wanted to kind of show you guys my price prediction. But yeah, for XRP, we never did have that bull run. We had a little day in the courtroom. For me, I'm looking at 350. I think that's kind of $354. That's kind of my bullish price target for XRP in the near term. I shouldn't say the near term, but the near term onward, right? So pretty much more so into that 3 to 5 year ballpark. That's kind of where I'm at. I know a lot of you guys will probably think that's FUD, but I don't think that we're going to get out of the courtroom for probably another 2 years. And then I think from there, judging on where the rest of the market is, you just don't know. So that's kind of where I'm at on all that. I wanted to share with you guys a little bit of my insight and kind of where I'm at within this chart because, if you do look at that, I'm not lying. It does. You can play around with the chart yourself, but basically you can take this all out of the window, just cross this out, just get rid of all that. Above that, all those gains and losses, because I don't think they were representative of how actually XRP is what they're on track for. So that's just how I view it. They're different than every other crypto out there, and that's how I play them in the market. So a lot of times, some of these meme coins, if Bitcoin's up, you gotta react quick, because then your meme coins are gonna go up. XRP, yeah, they might do that every once in a while, but I think that when we get out of the courtroom, XRP is gonna kind of beat to its own drum and kind of trade on its own. So just what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you all are doing well. A little XRP update on this 4th of July Thursday. Remember to subscribe on your way out. Smash that like button. Appreciate you all watching. Have a great holiday, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.